Join me as I try to create AI meme video using the Luma AI Dream Machine. Here's a sneak peek of what we're diving into today. The Luma AI Dream Machine is a cutting-edge tool that's changing the game when it comes to creating AI-generated meme videos. With its advanced algorithms and user-friendly interface, it's never been easier to produce high-quality, engaging content that's sure to resonate with your audience. Let me show you how simple it is to use the Luma AI Dream Machine. I'll create a meme using one of the preloaded images and see what kind of creative content the machine generates. Here's the image I've selected. A guy pointing at his forehead. Once you upload an image, you can describe the action or scene you want to create. For this example, I'll have a guy running away, with the camera tracking his movement. After that, all you need to do is click Generate, and your image will be added to the queue. By the way, did you know that only 0.4% of you watching are actually subscribed? That means 99.6% of you are missing out on future content. If you're enjoying the videos, consider hitting that subscribe button. It's free, and it really helps the channel grow so I can keep bringing you even more fun and creative content. Plus, you'll never miss out on the latest AI tricks and tutorials. So go ahead, subscribe, and join the 0.4% club. Once your video is fully loaded, just hit download and that's it. You've got your AI meme ready to go. That's how easy it is to create AI memes using the Luma AI Dream Machine. Whether you're looking to make your audience laugh or create unique, engaging content, this tool has got you covered. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials for more creative AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.